Okay, begin by having the patient lay down as flat as they can. Some patients can't because of their positioning. Remove the wafer and the bag all at once by holding down the skin around the wafer to prevent pulling up the skin, which can cause tears and breakdown. Make sure you work the tape around it, and you can use an adhesive remover wipe if that might help. Once you have gently removed the existing wafer and bag system, you can place it aside in the bag so that you can disconnect the bag from the wafer and wash the bag with soap and warm water, then put it in the bucket to leave it to dry. Using the washcloths and soap and water, remove any stool left and make sure to keep the skin good and clean. The adhesive will adhere better when the skin is clean. The stoma may occasionally leak stool throughout the process, and you may have to continue to wipe stool from the stoma as you go. If stoma paste was used, the adhesive remover pads can help loosen it and remove it. Make sure the area is clean and dry.
Lay back down. Thank you.
Once the area is clean and dry, you can use the stoma paste
And or measure if you need.
or measure if you need. You can use the stoma paste to fill in the abnormal spacing and scars. You want to use just enough so that the flange or wafer adheres smoothly. It can be difficult to remove, so don't use an excessive amount. When used properly, this will help the flange or wafer adhere better and last longer.
Lay back for me.
You want to make sure that the hole is just barely bigger than the stoma and press it firmly down, working your way towards the outside. You want to make sure that it adheres flat to the skin and that there are no ridges, bubbles, or areas for the stool to escape in, because this will cause leaks. When you have it smoothed out, you can remove the final edge backing and again press around the outside, looking for ridges or difficult difficulties in the integrity of the wafer. Then you will attach the ostomy bag and the colostomy bag. And you're going to want to make sure that it snaps in place all around the entire circle. And then make sure that the spout located at the bottom of the bag is properly secured. And that's all you got to do.